Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix message notification not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on app management and then scroll down and find messages app. Now click on messages app and here you can force stop your messages app. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on sound and vibration. After clicking on sounds and vibration, then click on do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.